With all the buzz about the Fenix 8 series and its possible merger with the Epix lineup, it's the perfect time to start talking about the Forerunner 275. So far, there haven't been any leaks or rumors, but looking at Garmin's release cycle, it might just land this year. Here's a quick recap of the past releases. I'm a huge fan of the current model, but there are a few things I'd love to see in the Forerunner 275. The Forerunner 265 uses Garmin's Gen 4 optical heart rate sensor, making it incompatible with the ECG app. The Forerunner 275 with a Gen 5 sensor and ECG readings would be a fantastic addition. It's a potentially life-saving tool that can benefit users across all budgets, and it would improve the accuracy of heart rate recordings as well. The one major feature missing in an otherwise feature-packed smartwatch was full mapping. Adding maps and navigation features to the Forerunner 275 would be a game changer for runners who travel often. While the Forerunner 265 is great for local training, maps are essential for exploring new trails and destinations. Wireless charging is a feature we hope to see on all future Garmin devices. While Garmin uses a consistent charging port across its top lineups, the convenience of wireless charging would be a welcome upgrade. The VivoMove trend was the first Garmin to offer a wireless option, and it's time for the Forerunners to follow suit. The built-in LED flashlight featured on select Garmin devices is truly a gem that deserves more attention. Unlike typical on-screen lights, this miniature torch is functional. It lights up everything from late-night snacks to evening strolls up your driveway. For runners, it even includes a strobe setting for added visibility during nighttime runs. Personally, I'm a big fan of Garmin's flashlight and eagerly await the day it finds its way onto the Forerunner 275. Finally, Garmin, we appreciate the frequent updates, but let's address the bugs. Beta updates should improve the user experience, not create more problems. We're hoping the Forerunner 275 will come with smoother and more reliable updates. So, should you wait for the Forerunner 275 or go for the Forerunner 265? If you need a solid running watch with excellent sensor accuracy, the Forerunner 265 at $449.99 is a great choice. However, if you already own a Forerunner 255, it might be worth waiting for the 275 and its potential upgrades. That's it for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. See you next time.